Trish, and this is Fold of the Week, a show where I share powerful print marketing ideas to help you achieve success on any budget. This week, I wanted to share a little idea that can make a big impact on your opening experience, the tuck tab cover. I've got 3 uniquely interesting examples for you, so let's take a closer look. This first example features a tuck tab on a basic trifold. Now, there are several ways to create a stylish tuck tab cover, and I really like the angles they used and the shot of color where the tab is inserted into the panel below it. The paper is about a 120-pound cover, so the half moon die cut works with the sturdiness of the sheet and the simplicity of the interior spread. Often you would choose a slit where the tab tucks in so that you wouldn't disrupt the content on the inside. Now let's look at this technique on a pocket folder. I love the curved cover and the tab with the die cut window showing through to the pocket beneath it. Note the simple slit for the tab to tuck in. There's really no one right way to do it, and this design really works. So the first 2 samples were trifold formats, but I wanted to show you that tuck tab covers aren't just for trifolds. Here's a really exciting 5-panel roll fold with a simple tuck tab cover. There's a lot of visual interest built into this compact brochure with 100% digital production. It was printed on a Xerox iGen 5 and embellished with MGI varnish overlays and silver holographic foil. The end result is tangible and engaging. This is a brochure that cannot be ignored, and the tuck tab serves as another interesting element that invites you to open and experience the piece. These samples look and feel entirely different from each other, but they all utilize a tuck tab closure on the cover. The cool thing is that if you're using this technique, you're die cutting anyway, so if it makes sense to do it, a unique shape on the tab, like the window on the tab of the pocket folder, or the angles on the Google sample, or a half moon versus a slit, you have the options, so explore and have fun with it. A very special thanks to the creators of the samples featured in this episode. If you've ever been inspired by something you've seen on the show, please consider folding it forward and sharing your work too. If you're looking for more ideas, downloads, and templates, visit foldfactory.com, and remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.